If you want to center an object in Premiere Pro 2026 quickly and cleanly, this tutorial will show you the fastest method using the Properties panel. Whether you're working with text, a graphic, a shape, or another clip on your timeline, centering it properly can make your edit look much more polished and professional. And if this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Premiere Pro tutorials just like this one. Now, let's jump in. First, make sure the object you want to center is selected in your timeline. This could be a text layer, a graphic, or even a clip that you want to reposition. After selecting it, click directly on the object in the Program Monitor, which is the preview window in Premiere Pro. This step is important because it tells Premiere exactly which element you want to adjust. Once the object is selected, go up to the top menu and click Window, then choose Properties. If the Properties panel is not already open, this is where you'll find the controls you need. In the Properties panel, look for the section called Align and Transform. This area contains the alignment tools that make positioning your object simple and accurate. To center the object horizontally, click the horizontal center icon. This is the button that looks like a vertical line with two boxes on either side. When you click it, Premiere Pro Pro will automatically place your object in the middle from left to right. If you also want to center it vertically, click the vertical center icon next. This is the one that looks like a horizontal line with two boxes above and below. When you use both of these tools together, your object will be perfectly centered on the screen. This is especially useful for titles, lower thirds, logos, callouts, and any on-screen element that needs to sit exactly in the middle of the frame. One of the biggest advantages of using the Properties panel is speed. You do not need to drag the object manually or guess at the position. Premiere does the alignment for you with just a single click. It also helps keep your edits consistent, especially if you are creating multiple graphics or text elements and want them all to line up the same way. If your object does not move the way you expect, double check that it is selected in the timeline and that you clicked the element directly in the Program Monitor. That selection step matters because Premiere can only align the item that is actively targeted. Also, make sure you are looking in the correct panel since the Align and Transform options are inside Properties, not just any editing panel. Once your object is centered, you can continue adjusting size, color, effects, or animation as needed. But for most basic projects, these two center buttons are all you need to get a perfectly balanced layout. So that's the fastest way to center an object in Premiere Pro 2026 using the Properties panel. It's simple, accurate, and ideal for beginners and advanced editors alike. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips, and I'll see you in the next video.